Hi there, greetings to you. It is not advisable to give AI the power to automatically decide how to change our lives. We have been blessed with brains and minds to do that. Unfortunately, AI is creating major disruptions in the way we live because of haphazard design and development of AI. This presentation explains an AI high level design model and tailors it with the SDLC. This addresses and eliminates the concerns about AI changing our lives in undesirable ways. It is necessary to use ethics and human philosophy as a core input for designing AI systems. Our lives are not peaceful and largely cooperative by chance. They have become so due to the acceptance of underlying philosophical and ethical truths, which are responsible for the harmony in our lives, truths that we live by and we as humans are bound by virtue of our living biological bodies. It is the acceptance of ethics, reason, and free will which bring parity and comfort for the interaction amongst us. Free will promotes individuality and the encouragement of disparate views. It allows us to choose the best path forward. This acceptance comes to us naturally and in the last few centuries has been taken forward through governance structures such as democracy, which encourage the thriving of human life. With technology advancing so fast, AI has begun upsetting some of those philosophical and ethical truths that we live by, reducing peace and harmony in our lives, and putting our futures in jeopardy. We should not allow that to happen. That harm is already happening can be seen clearly from the unguided and unaccountable AI development going on in LLMs through deepfakes, through active listening on our phones, and through the latest Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, to name just a few. For those who are tuned to reality, human well-being, and truth, the lack of explainability of these LLMs and recent AI direction as rises to a crescendo above the vast hype that cheap venture capital generates. The design of AI systems must start with the study of ethics, societal cultures, disparities, and accepted philosophies which affect the AI use case under development across its full scope. There are three steps in the study and search process. The study is called AIDP search process. Its aim is to create the AIDP tracker for the AI project, a document which identifies all the possible adverse impacts of the AI system to humans, society, and the planet well before other project activities can commence so that they can be fixed early in the SDLC. The analysis of the impacts of AI must be performed in the AI track in the project SDLC shown. In parallel with the requirements gathering, requirements analysis, and data gathering and data analysis and ETL development phases. The early search and analysis for possible AI errors or impacts for the use case and their elimination is what makes AIDP model for building AI ML systems an efficient one. The AIDP model is explained fully in my book, Applied Human-Centric AI. The full scope of AI is extremely vast and can be broadly classified into 5 streams where its impact can be felt. These streams are explained in the next slide. The scope of the AI use case covers the following broad streams: people and planet, economy, data and input, AI model, task and output. People and planet stream deals with people who are affected by the benefits and the drawbacks of AI systems. We need to build AI systems which are human-centric, beneficial, and augment human capabilities, and not for AI to decide how to change our lives. These AI systems must respect fundamental human rights, justice, privacy, free will in an unbiased manner. Sustainability of the planet must also be ensured. The economy stream. The AI systems deployment should support the growth of economies and not have any adverse impacts. Data and input stream covers the data used to train the AI system, its characteristics, structure, collection methods, and whether the data set coverage is holistic for the use case concerned. AI ML architecture represents the computational aspects and encompasses processes, algorithms, integrations to external environment, and how users interact with it. Task and output refers to the tasks of the AI system performs, example personalization, pattern recognition, forecasting, or goal-driven optimization, etc. Characteristics of task and output include levels of action autonomy, systems that combine tasks and output actions like controlling autonomous vehicles and more. A detailed explanation of the criteria and classification questions for each of the above streams is available in my book, Applied Human-Centric AI, Chapter 3. This slide discusses the part 1 of AIDP search process. At the project start phase, studies in ethics, human rights, cultural and social, and diversity aspects are carried out for the nation and region where the AI is expected to be deployed. These studies should be done in consultation with a comprehensive set of stakeholders, including advocacy groups, inclusion experts, social experts, philosophers, etc. A comprehensive list of stakeholders is available in Appendix B of my book. The report of the study for each area is then combined to form the Sensitivities and Vulnerabilities Report, which is milestone deliverable 2A2.4. These studies should be carried out by AI specialist coder or project team member who is a developer specially trained on ethics, social diversity, and inclusivity. This slide discusses the part 2 of AIDP search process. This process requires the AIDP tracker and stream trackers to be prepared by two project resources to ensure completeness and individual analysis. The AI specialist coder uses the sensitivity and vulnerability report as an input and analyzes it across the comprehensive list of AI stakeholders to arrive at the AIDP identification facilitator checklist, which is shown as A in the blue circle. Then the identification facilitator checklist is used by the specialist coder along with the software requirement specifications and the comprehensive list of AI stakeholders to arrive at a draft AIDP tracker and 5 stream trackers, namely people and planet, economy, data and input, AI model, task and output. The activity is repeated independently by a data scientist to arrive at a second draft AIDP tracker and 5 stream trackers. This is required to ensure comprehensive and independent analysis of this extremely crucial phase in the AI development project. The two draft AIDP trackers are then merged by the project manager and the AI specialist coder and the data scientist to arrive at a single draft AIDP tracker. This AIDP tracker is reviewed in the AIDP verification meeting in the presence of the Chief Delivery Officer, the Project Manager, QA/QC, and the Ethics Committee Head. Once the AIDP tracker is approved, it becomes deliverable milestone A3.5 and it can be used by the AI project team as the final basis for predicted AI issues and bugs that can be expected in the use case being developed. Let us come to part 3 of the AIDP search process, which deals with the data screening process. A category named GST risks deals with AI issues that can emerge from religious, societal groups, communities, political, geopolitical, and personal data. The possible errors under GST category are merged with the AIDP Identification Facilitator document and Sensitivities and Vulnerabilities report and analyzed across the comprehensive list of AI stakeholders. This comprehensive list of issues or keywords is searched using automated data search across input data sets. Data scientists and data wranglers use visualization or manual examination techniques to identify possible data discrepancies which might lead to issues with the AI output. Error creating data identified is deleted, modified, or the data sets enhanced for completeness for the AI use case. It is to be noted that coverage of AI training data needs to be ensured, that is, within the nation/region where the AI system is being deployed. The input data sets are transformed as needed to fix the anticipated errors. The details of these data operations carried out are entered in the AIDP tracker, data provenance document, and data explainability document. The final data is then loaded into the dataset constituting milestone deliverable D3.2, which will be used for training, validation, and testing. That covers an overview explanation of the AIDP search process for societal, people, and other adverse effects. The book has detailed templates for all the above documents. There is a sample project in which AIDP search and analysis process has been carried out. The location of each of the above documents referred to has been mentioned in this slide. The actual Excel sheets printed in the book are available for open download from my website, details of which are given in the next slide. Thank you for watching. Let us all move towards a responsible and explainable way of building human-centric AI systems.